Learning how to play the piano might seem like a really difficult process for beginners. However, I'm going to show you a really cool method which will massively accelerate your learning process. So, the method is called finger exercises. Finger exercises massively improve a few of the core aspects of learning how to play an instrument, such as the piano. I always get my students to begin by learning finger exercises when we start lessons. Just like how an athlete begins by warming up, you should warm up by doing finger exercises. CD song is an exercise created by my auntie Liliana, and both of us have been using it in our music teaching practice for many years. This revolutionary exercise will take hours off of your learning process, and we guarantee that if you follow these instructions, CD song will improve your technique because we've seen it work on so many of our students. So, I'm going to show you exactly how to play it, and I'm going to tell you what its benefits are. The beauty of this simple exercise is that it develops 5 or 6 of the key aspects of playing the piano in one go. Number 1, it trains your finger agility. By training this motion clearly, you're improving your finger technique. And as a bonus benefit, when you do this with both hands, you're improving ability to play with both hands together. Number 2, proper hand position. So make sure when you're practicing this exercise to be focusing on keeping your hands in the right hand position. Number 3, it trains you to keep a strong pulse. So make sure that when you're practicing, you can feel your fingers playing neatly and evenly like soldiers marching. Number 4, oral skills. When you're playing this song, you also have to sing the notes, and that's gonna make you a better singer, kind of. Number 5, you're gonna improve your ability to name the notes on the piano. And number 6, playing this exercise will increase your confidence. When you implement this exercise into your piano playing practice, you'll definitely see results within 2 to 3 weeks. There isn't even any need to look at notation, as we are just going to be playing with the finger movements. The most important aspect here is to maintain your proper hand position. So remember to always keep your thumbs above the keys of the piano like this, so they're ready for action. And also watch your elbows. They should not be moving away from your body. They should be close to your body like this. In the olden days, teachers would even put books underneath the armpits of students to make sure that they're keeping their arms near to their body. It's up to you if you want to try this, but if you notice your elbows moving out, then you might want to give it a try. So remember, your fingers should be curvy and you should be playing with your fingertips, almost as if you're trying to play with your fingernails. And you can imagine that you're holding a little ball in your hand and you're just opening out your fingers just a little bit like that. So let's begin. First, we're going to start by learning the names of the notes. So we've got C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. You might want to repeat this a few times. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Here is the sheet music for the CD song. You can download it in a link below. But you don't really need to follow the music. You can just follow my instructions. But I'll keep it up there anyway. So let's demonstrate CD song for you. It goes like this. C, D, C, D, C, D song. D, E, D, E, D, E song. E, F, E, F, E, F song. F, G, F, G, F, G song. E, F, E, F, E, F song. D, E, D, E, D, E song. C, D, C, D, C, D song. So you're constantly going to have one finger on the piano. You're pressing down, and when one finger goes up, the other one goes down, sort of like on a seesaw. You can practice this movement first of all, and then move over to the next 2 fingers as well. Finger 2 and 3, one finger goes up, one finger goes down. Finger 3 and 4. Finger 4 and 5. And when you're a beginner, remember to exaggerate this movement. Lift each finger way up high. This is like a finger gym, sort of like how a footballer starts by practicing passing the ball or shooting penalties. Next, we're going to do the exact same thing with the left hand. For the left hand, we play C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C. And we're also going to do this exercise with our fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So with the left hand, we're going to go C, B, C, B, C, B, song, B, A, B, A, B, A, song, A, G, A, G, A, G, song, G, F, G, F, G, F, song, A, G, A, G, A, G, song, B, A, B, A, B, A, song, C, B, C, B, C, B, song. Note how when I'm playing this, I'm keeping my fingers nice and round in that correct position. I'm also keeping a strong sense of pulse, and I'm making sure to play very confidently and neatly. Next, we do this exercise by playing hands together. It's going to sound like this. C, D, C, D, C, D, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, F, G, F, G, F, G, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, C, D, C, D, C, D, song. It's super useful to be practicing your singing when you're doing this exercise, as it helps you improve your intonation and it starts unlocking that skill, which is really important, your oral skills. Remember, you can practice this exercise with your teacher, or you can also follow this backing track. So I'm going to practice this by playing first with right hand, then with left hand, and then hands together. Let's see how this goes when I play with the backing track. C, D, C, D, C, D, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, F, G, F, G, F, G, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, C, D, C, D, C, D, song. C, B, C, B, C, B, song, B, A, B, A, B, A, song, A, G, A, G, A, G, song, G, F, G, F, G, F, song, A, G, A, G, A, G, song, B, A, B, A, B, A, song, C, B, C, B, C, B, song. C, D, C, D, C, D, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, G, F, G, F, G, song, E, F, E, F, E, F, song, D, E, D, E, D, E, song, C, D, C, D, C, D, song. Lovely, we've just played CD song. Fantastic, you've done such a great job in this lesson. Now you can go and do a performance in front of your parents and show them the very first finger exercise that you've learned. And show them how wonderful your hand position is and how wonderful you are at keeping the time now. And when you show it to your parents, remember to charge them for the entry ticket to your show. You know, like about £100 or so. Well done, great job.